Hi, welcome back to Red Line Race Day. Today we're going to have a drag race and the drag race action set. Here's a track setup. I hope you like it. From 2017, the Hot Wheel Club Spoiler Series, it's TNT Bird. It has a metal body and a metal base. Its color, Spectre Flame Purple. It has a chrome engine, light purple tinted windows, white interior, and it's riding on those neoclassic Redline wheels. Its competition is Heavy Chevy. It has a metal body and a metal base. Its color, Spectre Flame Red, with a chrome engine. It has a maroon interior, clear windows, and is riding on those neoclassic wheels. Okay, the track is set up and the cars are in position. Let's have race one. TNT Bird wins race number one. The track is reset, the cars have switched lanes. Let's have race number two. TNT Bird wins race number two as well. Well, since TNT Bird won the best 2 out of 3 races, let's have one more race just for fun. And that's 3 wins for TNT Bird. What a racer. Thanks for joining me on Redline Race Day today, folks. I hope you had a good time. Remember, Hot Wheels goes faster and they roll further. If you like what you saw, why don't you go ahead and click like and subscribe. While you're there, hit that notification bell because here, you're only going to find the fastest miniature metal cars you've ever seen. I'll see you next race.